Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this quick guide, you will learn how to fix the network disconnect error in Battlefield 6 on your PC.
Fix 1. Restart your router. Step 1. Turn off your Wi-Fi router or modem. Step 2. Wait for 30 seconds. Step 3. Turn it back on and reconnect your PC to the internet. Step 4. Launch Battlefield 6 again. Fix 2. Use a wired LAN connection. Step 1. Disconnect from Wi-Fi. Step 2. Plug your PC directly into the router using an Ethernet cable. Step 3. Start Battlefield 6 and check if the issue is gone. Fix 3. Check EA servers. Step 1. Visit https AI.com status. Step 2. Check if Battlefield 6 servers are down. Step 3. If servers are under maintenance, wait until they're back online. Fix 4. Update network drivers. Step 1. Press Windows X and select Device Manager. Step 2. Expand network adapters. Step 3. Right-click your network device and select Update Driver. Step 4. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Fix 5. Disable VPN or proxy. Step 1. Turn off any active VPN or proxy. Step 2. Go to Settings, Network, and Internet Proxy. Step 3. Turn off Use a proxy server. Step 4. Restart your PC and try the game again.